Alright, today I'm biking from Utrecht to Nijmegen and it's like 84 kilometers, but now I'm at the point where it's like I can go like, what is it, 8 kilometers more, something like that, and I'm not going to do that. So that's something you need to be aware of when you use Google Maps. It's always really important to look good at Google Maps, and so it doesn't screw you. But if you want to do it, just do it, but just be aware that Google Maps sometimes is not clear and switches routes. So yeah, that's a thing, you know. So now I'm in Doorn and I'm just eating some stuff I bought, some appelflappen. I shouldn't do this, but I like it so much. So my back wheel's a little bit soft and I don't have a bike pump with me, so that's not too good. It goes like this. I did 20 kilometers and 60 more to go at least. So guys, let me recap this shit, because I wanted to open some drink and then it started to rain like crazy. So I was like, oh shit, I need to find a place, and then it stopped. So then I drove to nice forests, just nice places, you know. Sorry for the cars, but this is a really nice place to sit and drink some fresh cherry drink. So yeah, then I drove some more and then it went like really crazy rainy. It keeps raining and stopping, raining and stopping. It's not much, but it scares me a little bit. So yeah, you probably don't hear me because this mic sucks. Not cool, it goes harder. And I'm in a fucking forest. So probably there's not really a place where I can hide. Wait, that's better. Damn! Let me see. And I have no rain gear or something. Shit. Oh, there's like a bus stop. I go for the bus stop. Still not dry, bro. I waited a little bit under a tree, so yeah, that's what happened, man. So now I'm in Reno and I'm just taking a good break because I feel my back a little bit like old grandpa. But yeah, the traffic goes good. I only had a little bit rain, well, a lot in a little time, basically. Damn it, I'm on my way back now. I'm on the same stop again and I've just rode like for 3 hours home. So yeah, at a nice holiday vacation. And I liked the trip last time I did, so I basically took the same trip. In Nijmegen I went wrong and I went longer over the bridge because I like the view so much. So probably it takes me 10 minutes longer or something, but that's all fine. Just chilling and riding my bike, It's really hot, it's 27 degrees Celsius. It's 2:05 now. I just get some drinking and stuff. It's really busy here, but I've done some work for myself, so that's good. I packed my laptop now and let's go further. Yeah.